Hello students, in this video we will discuss about an important concept, number of permutations. Number of permutations when object taken at a time out of n different objects if repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed, then number of permutation equal to number of permutation. Suppose this is the theorem second. In this concept, say that if there are n objects which are different, and if we take all objects at a time, but if repetition is allowed, then how many total number of permutations formed equal to n whole to the power r. This is the number of permutation. That means total number of different objects whole to the power number of objects taken at a time to form the permutation. This is the formula for finding the number of permutation when repetition is allowed. Now we will discuss if out of n different objects, some objects are all objects are not same, and some objects is equal to p type, some object equal to q type, some object equal to r type, then how many total number of objects, how many total number of permutation formed. Now theorem third, if total number of n objects in which R is same types and others are all different, then number of permutations will be equal to factorial n upon factorial r. This is very important formula. That means out of n objects, there are only two type of objects. Some object which is denoted by r are same type, and another object are all different types. Then total number of permutation will be factorial n upon factorial r. But this concept will be changed when if total number of n objects in which r are the same type, p is the different type, q is the another different type, then how many total number of objects? Then this is denoted by theorem 3. If out of n different objects, R is same same type, P is different in other types, in other same types, and Q is also same type, same in other types, object. Then permutation equal to, what will be permutation? Then permutation equal to factorial n whole upon factorial r, that means first type of factorial of first type of object into factorial of second type of object into factorial of third type of object. This is the formula. In generalized form, we can say that in that object there are many same different types of object are given. Then here we multiplied by all types of groups which are given in this problem. That means factorial n upon factorial r into factorial p into factorial q into factorial s into factorial t as the same. Now this is the formula for finding the permutation when some different type of groups are given out of n different objects, then this will be total number of permutation. Now in the next video we will take numerical problem related to this topic.